Take a look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the SLT Preferred Equipment Group, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3266 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, stealth gray metallic, jet black dark ash, leather appointed front seat trim, engine, 5.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, SLT preferred package, tires, P265/65 R18 all-terrain, white outlined leather and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.